Hi, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to organize and clean my refrigerator and my freezer. When I got finished, I was so excited with the end result, so I hope that you stick around to watch it until the end. I like to make sure that I remove everything from the refrigerator so that I start with a clean slate. Once I have everything out, I like to wipe down and clean the inside of the refrigerator. My quote of inspiration for you today is love yourself as you are, where you are now. Once I have all of my items out of the refrigerator, I like to take out the trash that I have in my trash can and replace it with a new bag so that I can see everything that I get rid of. I always check expiration dates. I look for things that we no longer use, and I like to get rid of as much as possible. Then I like to organize things into categories so it's easier for me to put back in. This project took me exactly 1 hour from start to finish. So when you are setting aside time to do this, I would leave at least an hour open to do it because I don't really keep that much food, and it did take me an hour. And that's counting cleaning everything and looking at everything. Also, I should have had my glasses on so that it was easier for me to read those expiration dates. So that kind of did slow me down just a little bit. had quite a few drinks in our refrigerator that we either do not consume or they were older, so I made sure to get rid of those and put those in the trash so that would free up some space. Also, I always take out my bins and I wash them, and every time I do this, I wish that I had a bigger sink. It's probably my least favorite part of cleaning out the refrigerator. What is your least favorite part of cleaning out the refrigerator? I am making sure that everything is dry before I put it back into the refrigerator. And I do look a little sad in this video at times, and I promise you I was not sad at all. I was actually in a very good mood. We had a busy day on this particular day, and I did not start this until like 9, so I was just a little sleepy. So I think that's kind of why that I look a little sad. I tried multiple times to figure out how to turn off the lights in my refrigerator. However, I was unsuccessful, so it's really hard to kind of see what I'm putting back in there. But when I get the finished product and I have the reveal, you will be able to see it. But this part kind of takes a while because you're, trying to figure out where you want everything to go, where you think everything would work best. And I had some new containers that I was trying out and trying to decide what I wanted to put into each container. Now I am cleaning out my freezer. I basically use exactly the same process that I do with my refrigerator. I remove every item. I do set the frozen items on towels on my countertops. And instead of using a multi-purpose cleaner, for whatever reason, I just find it best when I clean out the inside to use warm soapy water and to dry it with a towel. When I had finished washing everything from the refrigerator and freezer that needed to be washed, I just wanted to scrub down my sink with some Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. Cleaning my sink is just very relaxing to me. And so I just kind of like to do that. So I just kind of took a little break and cleaned out the sink. Also, just a little tip when you do clean out the sink, whether it's with dish soap or whether it's with something like Bartender Secret or something like that. To make it shine, always wipe it down afterwards. One thing that I really enjoy is seeing Lily and Molly pop up in my videos. I noticed that Lily has really had a great time with that trash can, and I was so busy cleaning that I did not get to see that. But looking back, in the video, it just kind of makes me happy just to see her like dancing around and just to see the things that they do that I don't always notice. So now I am cleaning the top of my refrigerator. I try to do this at least once a month. I'm sure I probably need to do it more. It's just a matter of climbing up there and actually doing it. It gets so dusty up there. Also, I like to clean out my refrigerator before I go to the grocery store. Which do you prefer? Some people like to have their groceries first so they can kind of see how everything fits in, and some people are like me and like their refrigerator to be mostly empty. So in the comments, tell me which one you like best. Also, I am just wiping down the stainless steel using my stainless steel wipes. I think that I'm going to get some spray next time because the white tends to leave some residue and I have to go back over it. So that's just kind of something that I'm thinking. I'm almost out, so I'm thinking I might change. I love cleaning products, so I'm always trying to figure out the ones that I really love. Now I'm just cleaning the bottom of the refrigerator. I just like to make sure that is nice and tidy. And then I am taking this little thing that I have and I can actually clean out from under the refrigerator and look at the nastiness that I found under there. I was like, oh my goodness, I need to do this more. Okay guys, here is the big reveal. This is how my refrigerator turned out. And remember, if you like organizational videos, please give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, I definitely need to go to the grocery store and get some items in my refrigerator. And then I'm going to show you how the freezer turned out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. See you in the next one.